Good evening to everyone in round 2. I hope you're all doing great. I'm here with you for the daily analysis of WTI oil on April 1st. Yesterday we saw the monthly candle for oil close, and after experiencing more than a 56% increase in March, oil prices retreated from the $112.50 range and moved downward. Ultimately, the monthly
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
candle closed with a growth of 34.82%, ending at around $97.21. Currently, oil prices are at their highest level in the past 3 years. We are now examining the daily time frame. We can observe that last month, following the outbreak of military conflicts, WTI oil formed a strong upward movement with powerful bullish candles. Last week, with the possibility of negotiations starting between Iran and the United States, WTI oil experienced a 15% drop, and after filling the daily FVG zone, it moved upward from that level. In the past 2 days, after the Iranian president announced that Iran is ready to end the war with the United States, and on the other hand, Trump continues to state that the negotiations are progressing very well, we have witnessed a decrease in oil prices. In the past 2 days, WTI oil has dropped by about 6%, and the price is currently fluctuating within the daily FVG zone. We are currently analyzing the 4-hour time frame. One of the most important factors that led to the drop in oil prices over the past 2 days was Trump's continued optimism about reaching an agreement with Iran, as well as his statements about the United States withdrawing from the Strait of Hormuz. This suggests that the likelihood of an attack on the energy infrastructure of the Persian Gulf has decreased, but we still can't say exactly when oil prices will drop significantly. So far, we have seen that oil prices have only decreased slightly, and even with this decline, prices are still 42% higher than before the start of the war. In the last 2 candlesticks on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price dropped to the range of $92.33, and from there, it encountered strong support and rebounded upwards again. Considering these points, we can keep in mind that the price of oil remains high under the influence of geopolitical risk, and even the signal of a rapid U.S. withdrawal contradicts the realities on the battlefield. In addition to these factors, the possible entry of the UAE into the Middle East conflict could significantly increase the risk of disruption to global energy supplies. We are currently analyzing the 1-hour time frame. We can observe that the downward movement that occurred since yesterday has been very strong, but the most important factor for the continuation of this trend is Mr. Trump's speech today. This speech will take place after the markets close, and it is expected to provide information regarding the state of the war. So, aside from the key technical levels marked on the chart, the price of oil is currently highly headline-driven, and if this speech increases the likelihood of a ceasefire between Iran and the United States, the price of oil could continue its downward movement rapidly. However, if the speech refers to a possible escalation of conflicts in the Middle East, the price of oil could collect the 1-hour FVG zones in its upward movement, and we would consider $100 as the first target for oil prices. Wishing you success and profitable trades.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.